Welcome back to Filmoments tutorials. Today's video I will show you how to scan QR codes on Android phone. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. In your Android phone, let's open the camera. When you point the camera into a QR code, it will recognize it automatically and display the content of the QR code. If it's a link like this one, it will open the link in your browser. In some cases, if your phone doesn't recognize QR code automatically, maybe the QR code scanning is disabled in your camera settings. To enable it, just tap on the gear button or settings button on your camera app and enable scan QR codes. If your devices doesn't have this feature, you can download a third-party app in the Play Store. Just search for QR code scanner and tap on the first result. Download the app and install. After that, let's open the app and try to scan a QR code. So there you have it. This is how to scan QR codes on Android devices the easiest way. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe, it will really help our channel to create more videos like this for you. Until next time, bye for now.